What's up, everybody? So I finally got my Google Pixel 3 XL in, and I want to do a quick unboxing for you. So let's go ahead and jump right in and see what is in the box. So right off the bat, we have the phone itself, and it feels weightier than the Pixel 2 XL. Interesting. I have the 2 right here, and yeah, it definitely feels a lot heavier. That's interesting. We'll have to see how that affects handling and ease of use. Let's go ahead and peel this off. And that would have been nice if that tore off. That would have been a nice screen protector. But alas, it is not. Feels really nice, kind of slippery. Go ahead and put this off to the side and see what else is in the box. We have our documentation and a SIM tool. We have a pair of USB-C headphones. Very nice. Wonder if these will work with something like a Note 9 or S9 Plus that have a headphone jack and a USB-C port. I'll have to try this out on those. But very cool that these are included, considering there's no headphone jack on this phone. We've also got our USB-C quick charge brick. USB-C to USB-C cable, a USB-C to headphone jack adapter. That's nice. Good job, Google. Way to show Apple. And then a USB-C to USB Type A adapter. So I'm pretty sure this will be used to transfer data from another phone and things of that sort. So let me go ahead and move all this stuff off to the side and power up the phone real quick, just see if it powers on. Alright, so there we have it. The screen looks pretty nice and bright. Definitely better off-angle viewing compared to the Pixel 2 XL. And the buttons feel much clickier. It's more satisfying to click on them. So there we have it. A quick unboxing, quick initial power up. I'll do another video walking through the setup of the device, as well as other videos on accessories, things of that nature. So make sure to stay tuned. Hit that subscribe button if you want to see those videos. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, comments, or suggestions for me, you can find me on Facebook, Twitter, Google+, and Instagram. So until next time, take care.